So after 6 weeks of sub-zero, very cold, minus 20, minus 35 degree weather, we got a snowstorm, 2 snowstorms back to back, which gave us a couple of feet of snow. And then last night, Mother Nature decided to forget to take her meds again, and now we have rain. It's raining. I don't know if any of you know what it's like to have this amount of snow come off a roof in the middle of the night, but it sounds a little apocalyptic. It sounds like an earthquake. It's loud, and the dog hates it. So yeah, that's a fair weather dog here that she hates rain. So even when it's warm, like 35 out here right now, 34, she needs her coat on because it's raining. So yeah, it's been pouring rain. Something you have to be careful of living out here. So you got that snow, and then that came down there. Decided to clean up because that's our gate coming in and out to the driveway. But you don't walk under this, because any minute now that's gonna come down, just like it did over here. I keep this trenched just so that snow doesn't go up against the house. But yeah, pouring rain, trees are falling over, heavy ice, they're all bent over, and that's where we're at. I'd rather get it off on my terms than when someone forgets and walks underneath it. I feel like I'm going to be doing this more than once. Here comes a big old jump. Yeah. Saw that coming. Gotta have those cat-like reflexes. Heavy shit over here. Yep, that's where we're at. Lovely.